Welcome back to this next how-to video, where I will explain how shop floor data can be stored in a MySQL database. Let's assume you have already set up your BFC Gateway to collect shop floor data, or as we say, southbound data. If not, please check out the how-to videos like creating a BFC client or creating an OPC UA client. The BFC Gateway, which can be purchased with a BFC starter kit, is right in the middle to take southbound data to northbound systems, apps, or databases. In our case today, to a MySQL database. In this client-server architecture, you have one client to submit the data and may have other clients to analyze or visualize them. For example, you could record the most important operating data of your machines and use them to continuously create an OEE analysis. To do this, here comes the second prerequisite. You must have a MySQL server installed and connected to your TCP/IP network. You need to know the IP addresses of your server and the BFC Gateway host computer. Finally, you must have root privileges to administrate the server. Now let's start to configure the server. The 7 steps outlined hereafter are the bare minimum required, yet essential for success. Take a command line interface, such as PuTTY or WinSCP, cd to the MySQL executable, and log into your server as root. Create a database named BFC Database. Create a user with login and password. This user will deliver the data later. Now we have to grant all privileges on the new database to the new user. After that, because of security reasons, we make sure that changes to the database are only allowed and the new user can only connect from our BFC Gateway IP address. Finally, we must perform a reload of the grant tables. With this setup, we are now able to configure the BFC Gateway to send data to the MySQL server. Please check out the attached SQL script you could run after login as root. In this case, you should adapt the username and IP addresses to your needs and the password to MySQL database password policy in place. So please log into your BFC Gateway and click on the commissioning tile to set up the MySQL client. In the Create an OPC UA client episode, we created My Machine already. Please select it first. In the Client section, you see all incoming data are available through an OPC UA client. To transfer those data to the MySQL database, you must create an export gateway. So please click on the plus symbol to a new export gateway. Please select MySQL this time from the Select Gateway drop-down list. Now please enter a name for the gateway and the IP address of the MySQL server and check the port number and protocol type where the port 3306 is the default port. In the next step, you need the previously created MySQL user and password. Then please click Next and continue with the dataset configuration definition. Here we have only one data client so far. So select this one and choose, for instance, All Datasets. Click Next and save the export configuration. This should work instantly, but could be proven taking a look into the logs. As you can see, initialization is done and the connection is established. Another way to verify is, of course, to take a MySQL user interface and to check the already stored data. There are all kinds of graphical user interface tools available. Please check out whatever suits you best. With those tools, you can create your own queries, can filter or export data, and in some cases you can use the already built-in dashboard functionalities. So enjoy the data flow and make the most out of it. See you in next time. Maybe in our short introduction into the license management.